Okay, now let us discuss some commonly used social media. Social media. So let us see the introduction. Social media are computer mediated technology that facilitate the creation and sharing of information, ideas, career, interest, and other form of expression via virtual communities and network. The first is blog. B log. These are the short form of weblog. Weblog. These are web pages where a person expresses his views, opinion, career advice, or various content for sharing with other people. In response to a blog post, some user may post a comment. This way, one blog post may lead to multiple response. वेबलॉग एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर आप अपने आइडियाज़ एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं। कैरियर एडवाइस है वो आप एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं। आप उसको शब्दों में लिख कर और वेबलॉग अकाउंट पर पोस्ट करिए और थोड़ी देर में उस पर बहुत सारी प्रतिक्रियाएं आप लोग अपनी अपनी देंगे। अच्छी भी होंगी, नेगेटिव भी होंगी, पॉजिटिव भी होंगी। द नेक्स्ट इज ट्विटर. नाउ इट इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर ट्विटर and every famous personality is having a Twitter account. Twitter is an online news and social networking services on which user post and interact with messages known as tweet. Tweet are originally restricted to 140 character, but on November 7th, 2017, this limit was doubled for all language except Japanese, Korean and Chinese. Twitter was created in March 2006 by Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Biz Stone and Evan Williams and launched in July. Twitter has become internationally identifiable by its signature bird logo on the Twitter or the Twitter bird. Means this logo of the word is very famous. This logo is of Twitter and every famous personality is having a Twitter account. Time to time they tweet. The next is Facebook. Very popular social networking media is Facebook. This is a social networking website developed by Harvard student Mark Zuckerberg, Eduardo Severin, Chris Hughes, Dustin Moskovitz and Andrew McCollum. It is a social networking website. People can add each other as friend, unfriend, form a group, post update, comments or updated post, reply to the comments, use application to share interesting pictures and videos, etc. The Facebook website has made its founder billionaires at a young age. Facebook has more than 2.2 billion monthly active users as of January 2018. Its popularity has led to prominent media coverage for the companies, including significant scrutiny over privacy and psychological effect it has on user. फेसबुक बहुत फेमस है। फेसबुक एक ऐसा सोशल मीडिया है जिसने कई बिछड़े लोगों को मिलाने का काम किया है। आज से 15-20 साल पहले जो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ पढ़ते थे और बिछड़ गए, इस फेसबुक के माध्यम से फिर एक हो गए। तो लोगों के टच में रहना जो है फेसबुक के माध्यम से बहुत आसान हो गया है। नेक्स्ट इज़ यूट्यूब. वेरी पॉपुलर. इफ़ यू वांट टू सी एनी क्लिप you go to the YouTube. YouTube is an online video sharing services which has now been acquired by Google. You can search for videos on YouTube and virtually every important videos or song video can be found on the YouTube. You can create user ID and password to upload on the website. तो अगर आपको किसी भी तरह के वीडियोस देखना है तो आप YouTube पे जाकर, जैसे आप कुछ बनाने जा रहे हैं, नहीं बनता, YouTube पे जाएं और उसकी रेसिपी ढूंढें। अगर आप कुछ काम करने जा रहे हैं, कुछ मशीनरी खोलने जा रहे हैं और नहीं बनता, यूट्यूब पर देखें। आजकल तो लोग दवाई भी जो है यूट्यूब पर अपनी अलग अलग वीडियोस डॉक्टर्स के देखकर वो ट्रीटमेंट भी कर लेते हैं। तो और अगर आपको अपने खुद के कोई वीडियो अपलोड करना है इंटरनेट पर, तब आपको एक आईडी की ज़रूरत होगी। तो यू कैन ईजिली क्रिएट एन आईडी ऑन यूट्यूब एंड अपलोड योर वीडियोस। आजकल लॉकडाउन के समय टीचर्स जो हैं अपने अपने सब्जेक्ट के चैप्टर के वीडियो बनाकर यूट्यूब पर अपलोड कर रहे हैं और बच्चों को उसके माध्यम से शिक्षा दी जा रही है। तो ये एक ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का माध्यम भी है। You need to subscribe to some channel to have access to such video. YouTube allow user to upload, view, rate, share, add to favorite, report, comment on the videos and subscribe to other user. It offer a wide variety of user generated and corporate media videos. And the next is WhatsApp. WhatsApp is very common. Now I think there is no one in present era without WhatsApp. Means people all are using, those who are using mobile must be using the WhatsApp. WhatsApp Messenger is a freeware and cross-platform messaging services. The application allow the sending of text message and voice call as well as video calls, images and other media. Document and user location. The application runs from a mobile device, though it is also accessible from desktop computer. The services uses standard cellular mobile number. The app was created by WhatsApp Incorporation based in Mountain View, California, which was acquired by Facebook in February 2014 for approximately 19.3 बिलियन $। बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है व्हाट्सएप और आजकल लोग बिना व्हाट्सएप के कुछ मिनट भी नहीं रह सकते हैं। तो ये एक बहुत फेमस सोशल मीडिया है एंड दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट सोशल मीडिया। नेक्स्ट इज़ डिजिटल इंडिया. Just a computer technology in advancing, so is its footprint in India. Many of the websites from India are global player in the internet market. Websites like Flipkart, Paytm, Snapdeal have made a lot of money. Almost all of the India services are now available online also. You can pay your bill, watch cricket matches, watch movie clips, watch songs, check your marks, attend online tutorial, attend online exam, and thus a lot of labor than Indians had to do in the form of waiting in queues is now solved. बहुत लंबी लाइन में लगकर जितने भी काम किए जाते थे अब वो समस्या सॉल्व हो गई है. The Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi stressed that India must move towards more digitization. PAN card, Aadhaar card and linking of Aadhaar card to the bank account, mobile number and PAN card is being mandated by the government. Okay, now let us see the summary. The World Wide Web, often simply called the web, is a subnet of the internet. Without internet, computer would only work without any possible collaboration. Internet allow you to make friend. Internet browser is an important software for connection to the internet. Next is a website is the parent web page or the name given to collective web pages by which the collection is known as, and the web page is a page on the internet with certain information in form of text, graphics or sound. Social media are computer mediated technologies that facilitate the creation and sharing of information, ideas, career interest and other form of expression via virtual communities and network. The next is blog. Blog is the short form for web log. Twitter. Twitter is an online news and social networking services on which user post and interact with messages known as tweet. And YouTube is an online video sharing services which has now been acquired by Google. And the last is WhatsApp Messenger is a freeware and cross-platform messaging service. That's all in this unit.